project in Jira. So guys, if you want to create a new project and assign a new task in your Jira application, so guys, here you see that I'm on the official page of the Jira, like home page. Now guys, here you see there is an option of create. So when you click the option of create, so it asks you to the space. Okay, here you get your summary, but you just cancel it and you again click here. Then you go here for hide unused field if you want. So you here you uh, enter your name, then your task. Okay, here you enter your summary and assign automatically. And here is the parents. Who is the parent means who is the main head and the access of this. Then from here you choose your team. Here you choose your labels and your reporter name. Here is your attachment. When you're done, then if you want to create any author, so you create it. Otherwise, create it. Now you add the summaries and fill all these details, and you can create it. So this is the simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.